Hey everybody, welcome to Phonics. This week we're working with what is a base word and how to add the endings ing and ed. You will really need to pay attention to this because I see some mistakes when we're looking at spelling as far as adding the ing. It's the number one thing you're going to have a problem with. So let's look at some rules right now. What a base word is it is the original word that you start with. And if you notice, I took the word like. It's a long vowel. I am going to drop the E because it is not needed when I add the ing. And this is the number one rule. If it is a long vowel with an E at the end, you drop the E, you have like still, you add the ing. Very, very important. Have is another one. Drop the E, add the ing. Anytime you hear that vowel as a long vowel, ride, I, drop the E, add the ing. You have now, when you're adding the ing, when you have a short vowel consonant, you're going to double the consonant and add the ing. And you really, really need to learn these rules because you do not look like you know what you're doing if you go rideing. You do not look like what you're doing if you do not double this, because if you leave it as one G and add the ing, it turns the vowel into a long sound. So you have to keep the vowel as a short sound. So you double the consonant and add the ing. If you don't and you just add the ing, then that vowel turns into a long sound because people think that you've dropped the E and added the ing. All right. Then if a vowel or a word ends in a vowel already with an E and you're adding the ED, you just add the D to it. And the same way as if it ends in a consonant, you just add the ED to it. So these are the rules, and every day we'll look at these, and you really, really, really need to practice your spelling words and get this down. All right, here we go. If you notice, I've highlighted the E because you'll notice that we're dropping it to add the ing in these words. So I'm just going to read these words, then we'll read them together. Like, liking, ride, riding, use, using. Okay, read those with me now. Like, liking, ride, riding, use, using. And do you notice that they're all long vowels? So we're going to drop the E and add the ing. All right, here we go again. We're going to drop the E and add the ing. Tease, teasing, hide, hiding. Okay, read those with me. Tease, teasing, hide, hiding. All right, let's go to the next ones. Now what we're going to do is you're going to notice a consonant at the end of the word. Therefore, we just add the ing. Here the word already ends in an E. We're going to add the ed. Okay, ready? My turn. Sleep, sleeping, bake, baked. Okay, read those with me. Sleep, sleeping, bake, baked. Okay, next one. Spill, spilled, ask, asked, mix, mixed. And remember the ed can make those three sounds at the end of the word. A d, ed, and t sound. So be careful, because when you're talking about a verb, an action that is past tense, happening in the past, and you add the ed, you have to add the ed. You can't just add a d, or you can't put a t there, because they do make those three sounds. Read these with me. Spill, spilled, ask, asked, mix, mixed. All right, next one. Now, these are your syllables again, and if you notice, every syllable has to have a vowel. You break it between the two consonants, and this word is actually a compound word because you have grass, land, grassland. You have chip, monk, chipmunk. That one is not, but if you notice vowel and vowel, break it between the two consonants. Vowel, vowel, break it between the consonants that are the same. Tunnel, tunnel. All right, read those with me. Ready? Grassland, grassland. Chipmunk, chipmunk. Tunnel, tunnel. And tunnel is one of your vocabulary words this week, and chipmunk is one of our main characters. All right, let's read these. Now, do you notice this is what they call a vowel pattern? So two vowels standing together, they're going to stick together. So one vowel, two vowels, break it between the two consonants. This is actually a compound word because you have near, by, nearby. All right, let's look at this one. Vowel, vowel, break it between the two consonants. Grumpy, grumpy. And then this one, vowel, vowel. And remember, this one is hooked to that one, so it's not welcomey, okay? It's welcome. Okay, read those with me now. Ready? Nearby, nearby. Grumpy, grumpy. Welcome, welcome. All right, so this is what we're working with. This is what you're working with in spelling. I've also attached these to the main slide group. So if you want to bring this slideshow up and practice it again with a parent, you can. Remember that you're just reading those words and paying attention to if it is a long vowel, drop the E and add the ing. Now, I will tell you, some of you are doing an outstanding job practicing spelling, and some of you aren't doing it at all. It does affect you. Everything we have you practicing builds on top of each other. So please be going to Spelling City and playing 2 games every day. Please be working on your spelling words, maybe with moms or dads or grandmas or uncles or whoever, and then take that test on Friday. Have a great day.